How can I let you know the way I feel? How come I love you so? Can't reveal. No sad, no mad, the way I feel for you. My chances come and go.
Chances come and go.
The sweet romantic words I know so
I
well
know so well.
just fly away like birds when I try to tell
Try to tell.
the tender story of my love for you. How can I let you know?
Let you know.
If only I
Could
impress you
impress you.
with all the things I play. If only I
Could
caress you,
caress you.
maybe you'd understand, my darling. I'm so in love with you. I'm all aglow. I'd do most anything if I could show
I could show.
the tender feeling in my heart for you. How can I let you know?
Let you know. How
How can I let you know?